The Auditor General has tonight exposed wasteful use of funds in several county assemblies. MCAs are on the spotlight for spending millions of shillings on unnecessary foreign and domestic travel. Auditor General Edward Ouko in his report says billions of shillings are being lost in double payments of sitting allowances, as Stephen Letor reports.
Among the county assemblies flagged out is Elgeyo Marakwet. The Auditor General found out that irregular payments of 37.8 million shillings was made as sitting allowances for MCAs, with one MCA receiving 980,000 shillings without attending sessions. The county assembly, according to the Auditor General, made a necessary purchase of kitchen items for the assembly cafeteria, costing 6.9 million shillings that remain unused since 2015, yet the cafeteria itself is incomplete. In Homa Bay County Assembly, domestic travel that could not be ascertained amounted to 8.5 million shillings, attracting further travel allowances of 8.3 million irregularly paid to MCAs. In Kakamega County, the Auditor General questions irregular payments amounting to 7 million shillings, said to be committee sitting allowances for MCAs. The attendance register shows only a few MCAs attending the sittings, yet payments were made to those who did not attend. Machakos County Assembly has also found itself in the Auditor General's dragnet, with suspected double payments of per diems to MCAs in a foreign trip that amounted to 24 million shillings. Kisumu County Assembly paid MCAs 5.4 million shillings worth of sitting allowances that were not approved since MCAs held non-gazetted sitting outside the Assembly. The Auditor General has also questioned a payment of 4.2 million shillings to Kisumu MCAs who travelled to Arusha, Tanzania for election laws training. The MCAs also travelled to Rwanda and Singapore using 9.7 million shillings taxpayers' money and adjacent allowances, in which the audit police has termed as wasteful. In the 2017 audit report for Bomet County, over 10 million shillings was used to cater for foreign travel that year alone, with a further expenditure of a staggering 38 million shillings for an unsupported trainings of staff and MCAs. Stephen Letor, Citizen TV, Nairobi.